How to crop videos in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In this short tutorial, I will show you guys how you can crop a video using CapCut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now select the video which you want to crop. Once you are on this timeline, now select the video and search for the transform option at the toolbar. Click on it and now you will see three different options at the bottom of the screen. Here, from the three different options, click on the crop option. Now cropping editor will be open on your screen. Here you will see different aspect ratios in order to crop your videos. Here are different ratios such as 9:16, 16:9, 1:1 and many more. You can select any ratio as your wish, or you can just select custom and make your own aspect ratio. Once you are done cropping the video, click on the check mark option at the bottom right corner and the selected ratio will be applied to your video. So that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can crop video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.